Hello and welcome to, I think this is gonna be my first Vlogmas day. I'm super excited. It is the day before Thanksgiving right now. This is gonna be probably a super long Vlogmas unless I post this earlier. So sorry, the lighting in here is absolutely terrible. I am always in charge for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Easter, I think, whenever we get together with our families to make Watergate salad. I'm out of breath. Watergate salad, let me see that. See, Watergate salad is something that my dad's mom used to make. That was like her dish, and it's the one dish that I'm, Sadie's crying, absolutely in love with, and my oldest niece Maddie's obsessed with it too. So Watergate salad is basically pistachio pudding, a cup of mini marshmallows possibly, about 4 ounces of some kind of like whipped cream, Cool Whip, a can of crushed pineapple and 100% juice, and I think that's it. You just mix it all together. You can put maraschino cherries on top or like walnuts for decoration. I usually don't, but yeah, I will show you guys the final result. It does have to sit in the fridge. I usually do overnight before serving, but you can just do it to a cold Sadie. Okay, so I don't know if you can actually tell, but this is the final result of the Watergate salad. There is marshmallows, crushed pineapple, pistachio pudding, and this coconut whipped cream that I bought. And you just mix it all together. I can have a recipe down below if you guys want to make this. It'll be a little bit late for Thanksgiving, but you can make it for Christmas or just as a snack, honestly. It's super delicious. Did you find carrot? Okay, good morning. Lighting is terrible.
I was gonna say a perfect time to start.
It's Small Business Saturday.
Would you like to tell them what
we have a lot of like plans for today, and they involved us taking 2 cars, which was fine until my car didn't want to turn on.
Like seized.
Yeah, so we'll figure it out, but that's fun. I've never had any problems with my car other than,
well, one time at the dealership you had a problem.
Yeah,
but it was already there.
It was out of the dealership and something was leaking, which like, I don't know if it actually was, but it was free, so I really don't care. So yeah, it's fun.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
We're going to the dog park. Dogs are freaking out.
What's happening?
And then we'll go to the market and figure out the rest of the day. So we just got done with the Mesa market. We were done with the dog park too. We are on our way to another market where hopefully won't be too busy because this is the one that's known to be like chaotically busy, and we have the dogs with us. So
Small Business Saturday, I feel like everything typically is like chaotic,
which is good. We love Small Business Saturday. I've worked with small businesses since I've been working, I guess, and so we definitely are big supporters of small businesses.
Did we mention that my dad was at this one?
We did not.
My dad was at this one.
We have, Katie worked with a girl and their family has a small business that is at most of the markets, which is kind of why we started going to certain ones, but then just kind of fell in love with the market itself. And Katie's dad is helping them because there's only so many people and there's multiple markets. So
the dogs lost their crap.
Yeah, so we just saw him at the market and the dogs are obsessed with him. So I don't think I've ever shown that, how they like obsess over him.
They're obsessed with him.
And Sadie doesn't like guys, although she has been getting better.
Oh, she's getting so much better.
Yeah, but she's like, I think her first love, the man
first
she
male
first
love
is Katie's dad. So
can't help it, you know,
which is fine.
Which is fine.
Okay, we are back home. I had to go get my battery replaced. We went to the Mesa Farmers Market, the Gilbert Made with Love Market, And we also went to Lizard Thicket. So I'm going to show you guys what I got because I bought an unnecessary, words are hard, amount of things, but they're all cute. Okay. Yeah, you say hi. So the first thing that we bought, I'm gonna unwrap these, is a store called Dogs Eating Cake. They have the best dog biscuits, like homemade dog biscuits, and they have little sayings on them. Hey, hey, hey. So this one says Happy Holidays. I don't know if that's ever gonna focus, but super cute. They're little like dog bone ones. We have Happy Holidays. We have Naughty and Nice, Felice Naughty Dog, and then Merry Woofmas, You Filthy Animal. So those are super cute, and we'll split those up between. As for the pups, she knows what those are. And then I think this store is called Knit Cozy or Cozy Knit. I'll link their thing down below, but hey. We got these 2 little trees. Did you already take yours out?
Yeah, it's in my room.
So Katie got a slightly bigger one of this, but it's in like emerald. Hey, can you park it? Good girl, go park it. So I got this little pink one. I'm gonna see if my little sister wants it because it's super cute. If not, I'll go in my room. And then I got this like off-white, kind of has like a pink tone to it for the living room. Super cute. So we got those. And then, let's see. What's this? Oh, Riley's here too. There's this place called Modco. So we've seen this girl, and I'm pretty sure it's the same girl, at a bunch of like women's networking or like, you know, young adult networking things that we went to a bunch last year. I think even the beginning of this year. But it's just like a super cute little star. It's not even gonna focus. There you go. Just a cute little trinket necklace, which is adorable, and they are gold plated at least, so that's good for me because I'm allergic to nickel, and that's the vein of my existence, honestly. And then we went to Lizard Thicket, and I bought a couple of cute things. So I got these earrings. They're just like little hoops, but they have kind of a twist on it, which I thought was nice. And then I have these earrings that I bought that are, I think I don't know if the hoops are actual earrings or just cuffs. And then star and just like a little diamond earrings. Super cute. And then I got this sweater, which is very like off-white beachy, which I kind of wanted like a bigger sweater. I bought some corduroy, like, I think they're like more auburn, kind of coppery pants from, I don't even know where I bought them from. Target? I think they're from Target. And I think that this would look really cute with it. So it's just like kind of like the inside out seam, which I don't always love, but it was super soft and cozy. And I think it's a good length. So that's fun. And then I got a hat. And I've never wanted to wear hats, but I want to, especially with my blonde, because I feel like it covers up my roots a lot better. But it's super cute, and I've been eyeing this like lack of color pink one. This is definitely the knockoff version. The lack of color one has a really, really cute band, but this is the next best thing, and it's like a quarter of the price. So hi, hello. Today is Sunday. My lighting is uneven. I just wanted to give kind of an intro into what me and Katie are gonna do. We are gonna go see a house that we've been looking at for a while. It's right next to the dog park that we love to go to, and there's been no pictures online other than like what the front looks like, which we drive by every time we go to the dog park. And there's a floor plan listed like on the online listing, and we've been looking at it forever because they gave like a teaser like coming soon, but I don't remember off the top of my head when it's actually coming out, like to be rented. So I did some digging last night and found out where we could do a self-tour, and I'm really excited, but I'm also really scared because we want to move out of our apartment, which I'm sure I'll go into more depth of that later, but yeah, our lease ends like mid-February, but we kind of want to move out as soon as possible. And so we've been looking at places for the past couple months actually. Okay, here's the tour.
Okay. Okay, we got some different floors. Okay.
This is like a living room. Smells like paint, which like whatever. Oh.
The fridge is 20,000 years old.
Yeah.
The fridge is very old, so.
But like, there's a lot of room.
Yeah. Well, this is interesting.
Ooh, that's kind of cool.
What is it?
Like a windowsill. Huh. Here's the
Covered in
kitchen.
grease. And like, I mean, it's old.
Yeah.
I
I wish the ceilings were higher. Granted, I'm in heels right now.
yeah.
I'm 6 foot in these heels, probably.
Also, but also the fact of like,
It's right there.
you could.
Well, this would be like the end of my bed, probably too.
Yeah. But I also like, I mean, I'd probably change some light fixtures. Like the light
Oh,
fixtures are outdated. Like you could take that out if you wanted and put something that's closer to the ceiling.
Yeah, I think if we can negotiate price.
Because like that's so nice that
It's
you have like a
cute.
double door out to the backyard. Like that makes this room so bright and airy.
Yeah, but also creepers can come.
I mean,
at
you
night,
need
but that's
curtains, yeah.
fine.
And there's also like so much storage.
There's so much storage.
There's
Yeah,
like a shiz ton of storage.
I mean,
like
we can do so much with
I think
3 rooms.
3 rooms. Like
You have a good bathroom. I think that's like a good.
I do. I have a good bathroom.
It's
like,
bigger. I wish mine was a little bit wider,
Yeah, I mean you only have 1 sink.
which is fine. I don't.
Do you have a bathtub in yours? No, so mine has a bathtub.
Yours has a bathtub.
Cause I mean I hate this flooring, but like I'll get over it.
Yeah.
Elmon from the brown flooring. But I mean yeah, like we could put like a cute thing here and like make this like a bar
That'd be
area.
like a cute coffee.
Like it'd be cute to like take
tea
these doors
bar.
off and then like style these shelves. A tile.
At least the same tiles in my bathroom. Like,
Your bathroom's actually really cute. Like the way the light
it's
comes in.
it's fairly cute. I wish it was bigger. I do. But like, I'm not upset
I would
about
say anything you
it.
can't fit in that bathroom, just put it in the guest room.
That's true.
Lemon tree. Orange tree. Lemon tree. Lemon tree.
Pear, lemon,
Lemon.
lemon.
Tree. Let's try using the door.
Look how big this yard is. Like it wraps around back there. I really like this yard.
I really like the yard.
Granted, our
And
dog
neither
park
of these work.
is right there. So this might have to be blocked off for the dogs, like right here, because these are a little bit lower and you can totally see that the dog park's right there. But we have like all of this, perfect for pool parties.
We had a pool.
Well, we'll get a mini pool. And it's like 0 upkeep, right? Because there's no grass anywhere. Well, this is dead grass,
It's supposed to be grass.
which like we'll have to ask about. While I like lemon trees, I grew up with lemon trees and that means wasps, so we'll see.
I mean, it has a lot of good things about it.
Yeah, I think
It has character, but not in a terrible way.
yeah.
Like I like the little like it has this cute little window and like
Yeah.
I like these little things like, and I like that there's patio space, like actual patio. Like we put a fire pit out here.
Yeah, I
And we
think
could
that's
put-
what that was.
Props.
Probably.
But when we put a patio out, we could string lights from these trees.
It's gonna be
Like,
really cute. Like we
Like-
can make it so cute.
we can make
It is Monday. It's about lunchtime. I'm kind of on my lunch break from work, working from home. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's always gonna be terrible. But I did want to show you guys some purchases that I got. I definitely participated in Cyber Monday, but also did a little bit of Black Friday and even Thursday, Wednesday, I think, shopping too. One of the things I got was this mask. It is from an Etsy store. I think it's Boutique by Trish. Yes, Boutique by Trish. I'll link this down below. It's so cute. It's like this satiny fabric and it just feels so luxurious. But the fabric is just so thick that it just like lays so perfect. I almost feel like I have armor on. And this is in the rose gold color. I also got a lighter pink color from them as well. So that was super cute. And it came in this really cute like golden flower mailer. And I love packaging. So I was excited about that. Another thing that I bought that I'm super excited about, and hopefully you guys are too, I bought a mic. I don't have like an external mic for my camera. I just use the internal one. And it's pretty good, I think. But it echoes and our air conditioning is so loud that I can't film with it on ever. So this is the one that Katie has, and so I bought it too because I like hers and I've used it a couple times. I used it in my last video when I did the Trader Joe's Christmas taste test with Katie, and loved it. So I'm excited. I will use this from now on, but I think that's all that's really gonna happen today. We have dog training tonight, like around 7, which is super late, and Sadie's like half asleep through it all, but yeah, not a whole lot else going on today. If you guys do like my videos, please, please, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in Vlogmas.